Let's continue our discussion on relationships among Zhang viscera, the lung and the liver. The relationship between the lung and the liver is demonstrated mainly in the regulation of qi. The lung is in the upper jiao and its qi moves downward. The liver is in the lower jiao and its qi moves upward. Thus, liver qi ascends on the left, whereas lung qi descends on the right. Both organs must function normally for qi to be regulated properly and for the vital activities of the body to be maintained. If the liver is blocked, fire is generated. Fire then moves upward along the meridians and injures lung fluid, leading to flank pain, irascibility, and coughing up of sputum and blood. This is wood fire pushing metal. Conversely, prolonged disease of the lung disrupts its depuration function. The dryness and heat evils then move downward and cause the liver to fail in its dispersion function. This may cause coughing, subcostal pain, impatience, and irascibility, headache, and dizziness. Here we see the relationship between the lung and the liver. The lung, which is found in the upper jiao, and the liver in the lower jiao. So the liver ascends upwards towards the left side to the upper jiao and descends on the upper jiao. Lung disperses and descends on the right side. So both are needed in the regulation of qi transformation. Thank you for your attention.